ERP implementation, title of our presentation and project of ERP. ERP implementation, Big Bang versus Space strategy. Clear comparison to help leaders choose the right path, one decisive launch or stages journey. The crossroad of transformation. Implementing a new ERP system is of vital for five vital moment. Your chosen strategy determines pace, risk profile, change effort, and speed to value. We compare the two dominant approaches, Big Bang and pace, so you can align choice to strategy. So the crossover of transformation, yung gapatupad ni yung sa ERP, yung sa mga critical na decision, yung pagpili ning mga strategy ning mag madikta ning para mapadali yung proyekto, yung tindi ning yung sa panganib, yung sa risk, yung paghahanda ning mga tao kung gaano kadali yung mahiling nindang pakinabang sa ginibo ninda. The Big Bang all at once concept, entire organization switches over in one coordinate event. Analogy, a single massive leap into the future, immediate and decisive. Best when alignment is tight and the organization can absorb broad change quickly. So, okay, sa bagsakang paraan kung sayin ang buong organisasyon na gasabay-sabay sinda na paglipat sa bagong sistema sa sayong ya takdang ay daw para dakoy ang paglundag tapos pagtungo sa panibagong ay daw na naman. Big Bang pros and cons. Pros: fastest road to full benefits and consolidated processes, shorter vendor engagement or project duration, single training wave, and Cotiver simplifies communications. Cons: high operational risk if issues occur at scale, complex rollback plans and costly fixes, intense change management and resource surge required. So si pros, pinakamadali na paraan para makuha yung gabos na benepisyo, mas madali o mas mas maikli ning pagkontrata sa mga vendor ayog ka. Tapos sa sayong beses lang ang training kaya mas simple ang komunikasyon. Sa cons, yung hayang kawang risk na kapag nagka-problema ning malawakan, masakit mahaya ang pagpaayos yun sa pag nagpalya tapos kay puan magtinding pagtutok ning mga empleyado ta biglang pagbabago. Ay, nito. The phase approach step-by-step success. Roll out modules, location or capability incrementally. Each phase delivers value while reducing exposure to organization-wide failure. Analogy, building a bridge one section at a time, test, learn, extend. When to use. Large enterprises, multi-sites, operations, or regulated environments. So, the pace approach, yung paloy-loy na paraan para sa padit-dit na ipaluwas ninda yung mga bagi ning module o ning system ay ning paggibo ning tulay ning sa ning bagi yasuri ninda ito tapos iayos mo na sa yung bago ito ituloy ang masunod na gigibon ng proyekto.
PACE pros and cons. Pilot and learn. Early pilots validate assumptions, reduce defects, and build internal champions. Manageable change. Smaller training waves and incremental process changes is adoption. Trade-offs. Interim integration and manual steps may persist between phases. Dito yan, mas madaling adoption pero mas mabagal ang consolidation. Halimbawa, isang hospital na nag-roll out ng ERP para sa patient records muna then billing pero nahihirapan sa interim manual reconciliation between systems. Key differentiators: risk versus reward. Big Bang: high risk, high reward, rapid consolidation, and immediate ROI, but systematic failures can be catastrophic. Phase: lower risk, iterative reward, allows continuous improvement but delays full benefits and may increase total project duration. Dito yan, ang Big Bang ay may immediate ROI, pero may risk ng systematic failure. Ang PACE ay may safer slower gains. Halimbawa, isang telecom company na pumili ng PACE rollout para iwasan ng risk ng nationwide service disruptions. Modern considerations SaaS, hybrid and mini Big Bang. SaaS fit. Frequent updates and standards processes often favor pace, adoption, and continuous deployment. Hybrid models combine small-scale Big Bang for core modules with base rollouts for peripheral functions, risk controls, use features, toggles, parallel runs, and stage cutover to reduce exposure across both strategies. Ang SaaS ay madalas na pabor sa pace adoption. Ang hybrid models ay nagbabalance ng speed at safety. Halimbawa, isang university na nag-adapt ng mini Big Bang para sa pure finance modules then pace in student services ERP features. How to decide a practical checklist. 1. Assess complexity, number of sites, integration, and custom processes. 2. Evaluate change capacity, leadership, bandwidth, IT majority, training resources. 3. Define tolerance for operational risk and downtime. 4. Map desired speed to benefit versus acceptable project duration. 5. Choose governance, sponsor intensity, rollback plans, and KPI safeguards. Dito yan, ang desisyon ay depende sa complexity, risk, tolerance, at governance. Halimbawa, isang government agency na may 20 departments na gumagamit ng checklist para malaman na phase rollout ang safest dahil sa regulatory oversight. Your strategic decision chart your course. There is no one size fits all match the approach to your organization size, complexity, and appetite for risk. Pair your choice with strong governance, clear milestone, and true change management to unlock lasting ERP value. Step: run a 2-day decision workshop to validate fit and create a PACE pilot or Big Bang plan. Measure success. Define leading KPIs, cut over, incidents, transaction, throughput, user adoption, and time to value. Dito yan, walang one-size-fits-all governance at milestone ang key. Halimbawa, isang logistic firm na nag-run ng 2-day workshop at nag-conclude ng phase rollout with pilot sites and best para sa distributed operations.